Hi guys, welcome back. Today's struggle is real. Finding those perfect matching brackets in your code. Sometimes I think matching brackets can be trickier than finding your perfect pair of socks after a laundry day. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to jump between this opening brace and closing brace, just place your cursor here and type Control Shift backward slash if you're on Window, and if you're on Mac, just press Command Shift backward slash, and you can jump between those brackets. Easy, isn't it? So this shortcut works for all type of brackets. So if you have, for example, round bracket, just press Control Shift backward slash dee daw dee daw. Then if you have square bracket, again the same thing works. Perfect. So friends, this is a fantastic time saver and allowing you to navigate your code with ease. Remember, this trick work for all the bracket types. Thanks for watching. My name is Amol. Like and subscribe because more VS Code tips and tricks are coming on this channel. Leave your comments below if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.